You irking. Oh my gosh. Stop. Eyes rolled, hair flip. She irks me. He irks me. You know what, matter of fact, you irking my soul. Hey y'all, it's your girl Jackie hitting y'all for another round of Irking My Soul. Today's irking is ghost followers. In case you don't know, ghost followers are probably more than half the people following you on social media. Those followers who scroll up and down Instagram, Facebook, and etc. and refuse to make their heart red. They will look at your pics and your posts and have a whole conversation with themselves or others, but refuse to like yo ish. Who's irked? I'm irked. Why? Because the ratio of followers to likes is disappointing. I'm confused. If I have 500 likes, I should have 500 followers, give or take a few. But in reality, 500 followers and I give a butt shot, I get 670 likes. And with that comes 170 follower friend requests. But if I give a picture of keys with the caption, winning, keys to the new house, or first day of class, PhD, here I come, I'm teetering on 40 likes. Irked because it was a dark and stormy night. Mickey Fickies will like all day the I'm self-destructing, I'm depressed, my mama don't love me, I don't love myself, and I'm on my way to Stankville pics, but just peruse past the I'm making changes in my life, positive move-making pics. They refuse to acknowledge in abundance. So therefore, attention, is this thing on? Mr. and Mrs. Ghost Follower, understand and know this, you only work on Halloween. Other than that, delete it. Boom. There we have it, guys. Ghost followers, be gone. Thanks a lot for listening, guys. It's your girl Jackie once again with Irking My Soul. And remember, don't be irking. Later.